Hi, I'm Jen. I'm a professional artist and a palette knife painter, and I've been teaching women to paint gorgeous paintings that they're proud of. So most of my students, they've never painted before. They're complete beginners. They have no art background, no drawing skills, nothing. And every single one of them says the same thing after their very first painting. They say, I cannot believe I made that. And I want that moment for you. So I've got a free class where I walk you through your very first palette knife painting, step by step, from start to finish together. And it's yours free right now. All you have to do is click on the link below, send me your email, and I will send you the class. All right, let's do it. I'll see you over there. Can't wait.